Yeah, in this video, I'm going to discuss with you characteristics of banks and other financial institutions and retail traders. Yeah, when I say retail traders, I'm referring to you and I, those who normally the individual traders. Yes, so we are going to look at the differences so that everything will be clear to you. Yeah, the first difference or the first characteristics of banks or other financial institutions is we are always consistent in profit making. Yes, this means anytime they place trades on daily, monthly, yearly basis, they are always profitable. Yes, as compared to retail traders, we are not consistent in profit making. Yes, so this is one of the characteristics of banks and retail traders. Then another characteristics has to do with banks always buy when the exchange rate is low and always sell when the exchange rate is high. Yes, this means they always wait for the currency rate or the exchange rates or the price of the instrument they want to trade is very low. That's where they buy at. And then they wait for the price of the instrument they want to sell to be expensive, or its exchange rate should be expensive before they sell. Unlike the retail traders, we normally buy after the uptrend and sell after the downtrend. This means we always enter trades lately. We always want to be sure of the direction of the market before we place our orders. By doing so, we always what behind trade. This makes it impossible for individual traders to maximize profits. This is the second characteristics of banks and individual traders. Yeah, that's how it is, my people. Banks always buy at the low exchange rates and sell at the high exchange rates. But individual traders always enter trades. Lately, we buy after the uptrend and sell after the downtrends. Yeah, so we always enter trades lately. And then another characteristics of banks and other financial institutions is they have huge pending orders. Yes, because they trade with huge volume of capital. That's why they have huge pending orders. As compared to individual traders, we have small pending orders due to the small size of our capital. Then another characteristics of banks is they are always patient when it comes to trading. Yes, this means they don't chase price. They always place their orders at the major zones, waiting for the price to get to their levels. Yes, when I say levels, I'm talking about major demand and supply levels. Yeah, so when price doesn't get to these levels, banks don't place trades. Yes, they always trade at the major zones. So when they see that price hasn't get to these levels, they always wait patiently for the price. But we retail traders, we are impatient in the market, always in a rush to make small dollars on daily basis. Have you seen? That's why individual traders always chase price. When they see that price is moving in a certain direction, then they chase price. But that's not the best way to trade. Have you seen? So in this market, if you are not patient, there's no way you will do well, because money always goes to the patience traders. That's why banks and other financial institutions always maximize profits because of their patience level in the market. Yes. Then another characteristic between banks and retail traders is banks trade with big trading capital, which helps them to handle big transactions for them to maximize huge profits. Unlike retail traders, we always trade with small trading capital, which makes it for us to handle small transactions, thereby making small profits. Yes, my people. Another characteristic has to do with the banks always employ skilled workers. When I say skilled workers, I'm talking about professional workers, workers who have strong background in economics, banking and finance, accounting, and these people spend so many years in school, college, universities before acquiring this knowledge. Unlike retail traders, just wake up, those who don't have a strong financial background, economics background, they just wake up and then start trading. Yes. So with this, that helps banks to always be on top, always maximize profits consistently. Yes. Again, banks use highly sophisticated computers, advanced strategies to trade. Now you see, unlike we retail traders, we only use simple strategies to trade this market. Meanwhile, this market is for banks and other financial institutions. So this market, there's no way you use basic conventional knowledge to be successful in this market. No, there's no way you can be successful using your conventional knowledge. Yeah, before you can make it big time in this market, you must trade like banks. Yes. So my people, I would like to sign out here. If this content is of high value to you, subscribe, share, like, comment, and then turn on your notification bell so that anytime I upload any educative content, you will be notified. I love you all. See you in my next video. Bye bye.